This is my Tayberry plant here. It's quite big. You can also see my apple tree in the background. But the Tayberry plant goes right round over these hanging baskets, past the trellis, and it just ends there next to the sweet peas, and it's tied to one of the hanging basket supports with a piece of string. Now you'll be able to see that it has some berries on it. Which have been quite tasty. I've been eating them. Well, here's one that's ready to go. Now you'll also see, and lower down, that there are some canes without any fruit on, and these are the canes that will produce fruit next year. Now I have about 4 of them, and in its situation where I have this plant growing, I don't really have space for 4 long vines of this. So I will be taking out a couple of the new canes at least, and perhaps kind of allowing the replacement to grow a little later in the season, once the fruiting cane is finished fruiting and can be removed. I will have a go at taking stem cuttings from these, which I have had some success in before, so I'll have a go at that. So in the last video I showed my Tayberry plant, and here I show you the 3 new canes that I've just removed. I'm going to be taking stem cuttings from these. I'm going to be using in part a couple of ice cream tubs from Mackay's of Scotland, because it's that part of the world where the Tayberry came from. I thought it was only fitting. So that's that one.